Okay, now in this video I'm going to talk about the question number 2 of exercise, and as you can see in this question, the function is quadratic function. The highest power of the x is 2, so it is going to be quadratic, and in the previous videos we have seen, like, if it is a quadratic function, it will be, it will be when you will plot the graph of this, either will be this parabola or will be opening upward. Okay, now this opening, this is called parabolic path. Okay, in the question, when you read it out, the question is, a projectile follow a parabolic path whose height in the meter is given by this function, and we need to calculate the horizontal distance. Suppose this over here a value is negative, correct? A value is -1, B is 2, and C is 2, correct? Okay, the parabola will be opening upward or downward. It is decided by the A value. If A is negative, the parabola will be opening downward. Okay, the projectile which is being thrown, it is going to follow this path and going to come hit again the ground over here, suppose. Okay, from here it has been thrown, and it approached this maximum height, and from this height again it has started to come down, and it hit again the ground at this point. Okay, now the horizontal distance is called this, and the vertical distance, the highest peak point where it could be, that is called maximum height. Now in this question I need to calculate this horizontal distance. Okay, so this horizontal distance means we need to calculate the value of x. If you need to calculate the value of x, then what you need to do, you need to equate this equation equals to 0. Okay, and after equating with 0, to convert this function into the equation form, and after converting this in an equation form, I need to calculate the value of x. Means this equation I need to factorize, I need to factor out. To factor out, I am going to factor out with the help of quadratic function. So the a value is -1, b is 2, and c is 2. So first I will calculate d. D is called discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. Okay, b value is 2, so 2 square 4, a value is -1, and the c value is 2. Okay, when you calculate this is going to be 4 times -1, -4, -4 times 2, -8, and -8, and this minus, it is going to be positive, so it is going to be 12, correct? Okay, now I am going to apply the quadratic formula. So quadratic formula is x equals to -b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, now I plug in the value of a, b, and c. B value is 2, so I plug in over here. Okay, the b square minus 4ac that I have calculated, what is that? 12. So I can plug in this total value of this part, 12 upon 2. A times is -1, so -1. Okay, now I simplify this, -2 plus minus 3 times 4. I can factor out this 12 upon 2 times -1, so -2. Okay, the square root of 4 is 2, so the 2 will come outside. -2 plus minus, the square root of this number is not possible, so we'll keep it inside, upon -2. From the upside, what part is common? 2 is common, so 2 I will take it out common. From here it is remain -1 plus minus √3 upon -2. This is cancel out. Okay, what is left over here? Negative. That negative I will multiply upside. When you multiply upside, then this negative will become positive, and plus minus √3. That's it. That is going to be the answer. If you like, you can simplify √3 square root value, calculate on the square root, and one time you need to add and one time you need to subtract. That is going to be the horizontal distance. Thank you.